So we have 40 milliliters of water. And now Layton is gonna add 5 drops of food coloring.
Yep. So guys, we're doing underwater volcano. Experiment number two. I can't wait for tie-dye milk.
That'd be cool.
Just focusing on her own healing, Sherry says God led her to help
1,
the very men
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, that was 6. Oh,
That's fine. It's fine.
all right. Mix well.
Still wrong?
like Jessie could not afford therapy either.
Well, it's the wrong side, but it's fine.
She went on to create a new state-certified battery
Right.
intervention program.
Color and plastic bottle.
Pour the color water into the water bottle.
Okay.
Including why
Slow.
they're in the program.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Their beliefs of violence and looking at the past to move forward to a non-abusive lifestyle.
Nice.
Get ready to funnel.
Yep.
A versant table.
Now we are gonna add 120 milliliters of oil.
Wait, what?
Pour it in. Fill the beaker with 120. Okay. All right. Here, hold this while I pour this.
Kids below 4 or 4 years old should not do this.
By an intimate partner. Jerry says Redeem for Men is working. How many lives have you seen change?
All right.
Since starting,
I think we have enough time to do 3 experiments.
the program are not repeat offenders.
Fill the beaker 120 with cooking oil and pour it into the bottle using the funnel.
Okay.
Jesse being locked up.
Put the bottle on again.
From his home
On this?
The bottle.
changed his mindset.
Pour.
Slow.
Look, yep, there's a spout right there.
Through the Redeem program. And he's grateful to Sherry for not only giving men like himself a second chance.
Oh, that's a lot of oil.
Whoa! Whoa!
All right. Now that we did that, place the effervescent tablet into the bottle and watch the eruption.
Uh-oh.
Here we go. Here we go.
There we
Here we go. Oh.
Okay, it's
Let
in.
it go. It's doing this thing.
Whoa!
Underwater volcano. Whoa.
Whoa! Can somebody in the comment section please explain how this works? Okay, we have enough time to do the 3rd experiment.
One a day.
Yeah, baby, I gotta.
Whoa.
Wow.
It looks like boba.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
I'm gonna send this video to Jai.